All right, hey guys, I'm here with another demonstration, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do live trace. I've already opened up Illustrator. I'm just going to go File, New. Just want to do a regular 8.5 by 11 letter size, and I'm just going to call this Celebrity. Okay. All right, now what I want to do is I want to go File and say Place. And I want to go to my downloads, my pictures, and so I have this picture of Robert Downey Jr. I'm going to place it. What I want to do is image trace it. I have my image trace up here, but I really want my options. So if I go Window and go Image Trace, that brings up the image trace options. I can kind of photo, low fidelity photo, 3 color, 6 color, and each of these does a pretty cool thing. This is a pretty high quality photo, but that's not the look I'm going for. So what I'm going to try is the 3 color at first. It's going to bring up this progress box that'll take a little while. Just let it go and take a minute. And so as you can see, it kind of looks like a poster kind of effect. I can also up the amount of colors here by sliding this. I'm actually going to say, I'm going to try 6 color now and let the progress bar go. And see how I like that. And actually, if you look here, palette limited, I want to adjust this to full tone. I kind of want the full tone look. And what this is doing is it's just vectorizing your image. I think this is a cool look. It can be useful for a lot of different things. Now see, with it full tone and with this mode, it looks almost like a picture, almost like a painting. I'm gonna adjust some things here. You can also do shades of gray, see how that looks. And then some of the other ones that are fun are like a black and white logo. And then I can adjust this threshold, either less or more, depending on what kind of look. So that's kind of fun. Also wanted to try, some of them don't work as well, like when I go sketch art, it looks okay. I can also try silhouettes. That's too much. Let's bring it back down. And let's try for color silhouettes. So you kind of got to just search around and see what really draws your eye to it. These line art ones, you know, obviously this is not line art that we're trying to scan. Yeah, that's not working. And then it's also got technical drawing threshold. See what that does. No, don't like that. See how this looks. Okay, and so actually I think I kind of like this, but if I zoom in, kind of got that painterly look. I'm probably gonna go with more of a kind of like the 3 color look. So I'm probably gonna go back to that, and then maybe see how automatic looks. Yeah, see, that's almost too much like the photo. Let me go back to limited. I might just increase this to 5 and see how that looks. Let me bump this up and try 6 real quick. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go with that. And I was just looking for a little bit more detail on the shading. Now, before it becomes a vector, we do have to click this expand button up here. And then now we can see all the vectors, all the paths and anchor points up here. So now if I click on this, this is now, we're able to edit this. And so what you should try and do is click on this, and then you want to say ungroup. And so now it's ungrouped, and then I can come in here, and this whole background area is one vector shape, but it also kind of got into his shirt here, as you can see. So it's not, if I go ahead and delete that, deleted it, but it also deleted this part of his shirt, but it doesn't look too bad. I might go in here and select this part of his hair out, delete that, you know, find a few other things. Now, each of these is now editable. I could change the colors if I wanted. I could scroll, kind of adjust some of his hair. And then if I want to highlight the whole thing, I just kind of go like this, and then, you know, you can regroup it. I'm going to regroup it and bring it down to the size that I want here. So now I could come in and add any type of objects behind here. Come in here with my pen tool, color, and you know what, I'm going to go to my layers over here, create a new layer, that below this one. Then I could draw in some shape just to kind of change the picture a little bit. I might stretch that out so that it's not cutting through his whole head there. I just want to play around with what do you put behind the person. You know, you could come in and make some lines to put behind the person or something like that, some kind of thing, just to change it up from the original photo so that we're not having the exact same thing. I want to try a gradient, something like that. Different things to try to make it a little bit more original. So yeah, I mean, this is a really quick example. It's not the best, but then I would want to save that and then just upload that to Google Classroom. All right, thank you guys.